Okay, TJ, say baby. Good job. More. How about, what is that? What are you eating? Is that banana? Na. Good job. Chew, chew, chew. Can you say shoes? Good job. Can you say kitty? 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 Can you say kitty? No, you don't want to do kitty? How about hair? Can you do hair? No, let's not do that. Can you do hair? Can you do hair? How about doggy? Can you say doggy? Can you say doggy? Good job.
Have them say go.
Can you say go? You can say eat? Eat? Good job. Can you say drink? Good job. Can you say hair? Good job. Can you say kitty? Kitty? Kitty's right here. Kitty. That's hair. Can you say kitty? That's more. Can you say bye?
Say kitty.
Can you say bye?
Kitty. TJ say kitty.
Can you say bye? Bye-bye. I should have asked you that one.
2 tickets.
How do you say please? Good job. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Please say bye-bye.
I went to my
Hi. Hi, Katie.
Hi.
Okay, so you're going to show us some signs that you've learned. Okay, banana. Good job. And how about bird? Good job. And how about go? Good job. Thank you. Okay. Go ahead.
Baby signing time.
Okay. Can you say mom? Good job. Dad. And how do you say grandma? And grandpa? Do you have any other signs that you know?
Time.
Time.
Signing.
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
Baby. Good job.
Bye.
Bye.